After activity 15, here's what you need to know about the periodic table. The groups or the families are the columns on the periodic table. We are going to be looking at 4 families. The first family, which does not include hydrogen, are the alkali metals. The second family are the alkaline earth metals. This family is called the halogens, and this family is called the noble gases. You need to know that the lightest elements are going to be on the top. In other words, they are the ones with the least atomic mass. And the heavier ones are going to be towards the bottom. You also need to know that they're in these groups based upon their reactivity or their bonds to hydrogen. Bonds. That is what connects all of these into one group. And then remember that within that group, top to bottom, they are categorized, they are ordered based on their mass.